tops, right? Well, now researchers in Shanghai have discovered nature grows its own solar cells.
On butterflies, to be precise, and those tiny solar cells seem to have a big future.
Butterflies are natural wonders, tapestries of stunning patterns and jewel-like hues. But there's more to their beauty than meets the eye. A team of material scientists looked closer, and they got some bright ideas from those wings that sparkle in the sun. It turns out butterfly wings are solar power factories.
Butterflies in cold areas need to collect more sunlight and convert it into energy than their peers in warm areas, where they need to collect a portion of the sunlight and reflect the rest.
As a result, colder climate butterflies have darker pigments than their warmer climate cousins.
The scales have a kind of cellular structure that can reflect sunlight inward instead of outward.
These scaled wings are inspiring the next generation of solar cells, a better way to store the sun's energy. A new solar power. The potential is massive. For everything from electric cars to solar airplanes. This is the brave new world of photonics. Currently, our world runs on electronics. That means we rely on electrons, negatively charged atomic particles, to power our homes and industry.
For example, our computers use electrons to transmit information.
There are limits to how small electronics can get due to the physical limits of electrons and how they behave. Now, if we could use photons, particles of light, we could scale down components to a truly miniature scale. But how do you build such small components? That's where the butterfly wings come in. They're the perfect template for photonic crystals.
Butterflies have developed such a structure through millions of years of evolution. Their microstructure is perfectly scaled to within several hundred nanometers. So nature has given us a structure for photonic crystals.
They're testing their idea on the best of the templates, the wings of cold climate butterflies. They rinse the black pigments off the wings with a special process to reveal the cellular structure beneath. Then they immerse the stripped-down wing in a solution of chemicals like titanium and zinc until every cell is saturated. Finally, they roast them at a specific temperature and pressure.
We need to control the temperature and atmosphere carefully to make sure the structure of the wings does not change while the chemical components of the wings change.
The result? A titanium dioxide or zinc dioxide solar cell. They test it to see if it carries an electric charge, and it does. It shows promise. While the winged solar cell doesn't carry a big charge, it compares favorably with the existing solar cells out there. They've proven their idea works in theory, but it's going to be some time before this technology ends up powering your home. Still, it'll be interesting to see what emerges from